So we're driving along Siena, no? So normally hindi masyado busy to. But today is Valentine's. This area is yon, nagbebenta ng mga flowers. Simula pa doon sa Aparente yung traffic. Normally maluwag to na area. So you see here na may mga stores. Tingnan natin. So super traffic, no? So this area used to be wala man to, no? But known na area siya for kuana selling flowers, mga flowers, mga patay. No, but here because today is Valentine's, maraming ano to. So ikot na tayo. We'll be going to Mabuhay Road na. Kasi super. This is Siena on the right side. Going ko na rin diversion road yung development, no, ng city. Heavy yung development. You know, Siena, Notre Dame.